हाँ जी,
Chalo.
जोई लियो.
Let's start. Good morning. Today is the 9th of March. Market morning routine we will follow. Okay, and let me share the screen with you. So if we are looking at Nifty and Bank Nifty, good morning, good morning. So this is your weekly chart. Okay, so this is your weekly chart for Bank Nifty. In fact, since the last 5 weeks, not gone anywhere between 3700 to 3500. It is dancing, right?
It is the futures chart, no?
Yeah,
Okay.
this is always Nifty and Bank Nifty. We are always going to look at the future chart only.
Okay, because I've been seeing the cash chart.
No, 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 no. This is always going to be a future chart. Okay. If I look at it in terms of the Nifty, again, since the last 5 weeks, not gone anywhere. Okay. And not given any specific move at all. Okay. So let's understand this, okay, how this is going to play around. Okay. And where the Nifty is going to go and how we are going to play the game. So let's go to Nifty daily chart for Bank Nifty. Okay, so daily chart of Bank Nifty, again it is dancing between these two levels of 3600 and 3500. Not done anything much, up and down, gap opening, gap down opening, gap up opening. Okay, and not done anything much. So let's go to 240 minutes chart. So in the 240 minutes chart, what we see is every time it has gone up, it has come down. Okay, and it has been dancing at this 3500, 35,000 level for quite some time.
There are so many times it has touched that and gone back up, but it has been continuously drilling the bottom.
Yes.
And even at 34,800, if you see that it has been continuously drilling that side also. 6, 7
Correct.
times it has been drilling.
Correct.
So, sir, I wanted to understand if it is continuously drilling there, won't it become weak?
Yes, 101% it has become weak. In fact,
Okay.
if you see this line over here, okay, it has been drilled for n number of times.
Yes.
Right? This line over here, 3500 wala line has been drilled not once but so many times. Okay, so if I'm looking at this, okay, this line has been drilled so many times, and if this line breaks, okay, so technically what we are looking at, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 times. Okay, over here it broke and then again going back 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times. Almost we are
Even
looking at a
yesterday.
240-minute chart. We are looking at a 240-minute chart, and this line over here of 35,100, 35,200 has been broken. It is trying to break this line for quite some time, but it is not broken. Okay, that means this line, it is like that drill machine. You know, every time I say, when you see a road construction happening, that drill wala not going down, not going down, and then eventually it goes down. So in this case, this has been a resistance for quite some time. Okay, now anything lower than this, then the price can definitely go down almost 200-300 points very fast. Are you agreeing to this? Right? And we are looking at every time it has gone up. Okay, in the last four times, okay, this 240 minutes, there is no closing above, there is no closing above 35642. There is no closing above 35642 on a 240 minutes chart.
Okay.
Okay, very, very important thing to understand, that this drilling has been there for quite some time now. Okay, so this definitely, this level is weak. At the same time, there is a resistance over here. You know, every time it is coming down, it is being pulled up, pulled up. So what is the remedy, and how do we look at this? Let's understand this very clearly. Chalo. So let's understand what can happen. Okay, let's go to a 125 minutes. Okay, so in a 125 minutes also, okay, it has been dancing for quite some time over here at the same range. So it's a drop days. Now today it will be a very clear picture what it wants to do. Okay, let's go to 60 minute. So in the yesterday there was a gap opening, went up about 35,616, coming right up to 3600 odd. Okay, and then going down straight again, coming over here and touching this 35,174 wala level, which we have even discussed on Sunday also. So every time it comes over here trying to go up, but now it has become really weak. Now today the scene will be, even if it gaps open, even if we are seeing a gap opening, okay, the pressure seems to be down. Yes or no? Every time it is going up, pressure seems to be down. So if I look at this and draw a simple straight line, okay, which we normally tend to do, okay, coming down over here, going up, okay, coming down over here, going up, and then coming down over here. So we are technically in between, but the high is not broken over here, and now the new high is not broken over here, while this low line of 34,900 is the place where the price is actually going up. Now anything below this 35,175, anything below, then we are looking for at least 200 to 300 points ka target. Since the volatility is high, okay, every time it is going up, it is being pushed down. Okay, just a minute, please. Okay. So now what is the scene like? How do we play the particular game of what is happening? Now, looking at the data, what you should be doing is, since it is dancing between the two levels, right? Let us see the call put ka data also. So I have the call put ka data 1500 ka. Okay. So a 1500 call put data, call is being pushed down. Yes or no? Simple to understand this. Price is not going up. Let's set the put ka data. While the put ka data has danced over here for quite some time at 85, gone up till 154. Okay, let's check the daily chart for this. So in a daily chart, it has come down from 600 levels to 82 levels, and it has been dancing between these levels. And once it goes above 175, we are looking for a higher range. Yes or no? As far as the call put ka data of 1500 is concerned. Now let us check the call put data of 14,900. Okay, so in 14,900, the dancing is between 53 and 135. Yesterday also it danced exactly between these two levels only, not trying to go up. Okay, so put data is showing 100 right now. Okay, so anything, and the call data has been danced from 462, it has come down to this particular thing. So 14,900 is not showing a clear picture, but at the same time, okay, in this case, it has not gone below the 130 levels. Okay, yesterday it again took that support of 137 again to go up. Okay, and it did a dancing over here. So today will be definitely a deciding factor, wherein in this case, okay, if the price of the 14,900 the price goes above 135, probably the move upside will be there. So what we need to just simply understand is, on the higher time frame, what is your call put data telling you? That is where you are going to get a better picture. Now, if you look at this 240 minutes, it is dancing over here. So that means when it is dancing, there is no clear indication whether the price wants to go up or price wants to go down, right? In this case, this is a call put data of your 14900. Now, if I draw the demand zone 137 to 172, it is dancing over here, but the pressure was down, right? The call price have been pushed down from 435 to the one at 137. Okay, while the put price, okay, is has also come down from 500 levels to 53 levels. In fact, now if I draw the demand zone, okay, it has touched this demand zone and it is dancing over here for quite some time. Okay, so uncertainty as far as your, but yes, the theta decay is already done. It is already completed. 500 points, 400 points, so 900 points of 14900 has been gone, almost gone. And this is 10th March ka data, means kal ka data. Okay, so please understand that theta decay for this 400 wala 150, okay, and 500 wala 100, in fact 50 ke aaju baaju. So theta decay is already done in the last 4-5 days only, khatam. Okay, so 500 point means 1000 point ka jo movement tha is already gone. Now let's check the 15,000 wala. Okay, in 15,000 also wala 350 wala coming down to 100. Okay, and in this case also 600 wala coming down to almost 80. So please understand, while the price has not gone anywhere, the theta decay of almost 800 points has already been completed in this only two set of call and put, 1500 and 14900. And this is what, as a player, you need to understand. As a player, you need to understand on a daily chart what it is showing you. On a daily chart, what it is showing you, while the price went up, going up till 600, okay, put price, okay, now the call price, see this, going up till 365, in this case going right up till 600, means total, if you consider this, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days, 6 day, 7 days. So on the 7th day it was around 600. Okay, check this, on the 7th day, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6 day, 7 day. So if we consider 240 and 600, so almost 800, 900 points. In this 900 points, just imagine the theta decay happening. And that is what, when we see a dancing market, the theta decay happens to the highest point. So that is where I had specifically said, okay, you need to confirm where you are, which stage of the market you are. Now, in this case, even when the volatility will be there, but it is dancing between the two levels, and it is where the theta decay can give you that advantage. Okay, and when you can take that advantage, okay, I am not telling you to take home all the theta decay, but 30%, 40%, if you are able to take home, this is going to help you to make money from the market. Now, we do not have any rules. We do not have a particular set of understanding. And then we are in a hype mode. अभी क्या करने का पता नहीं है, अभी क्या करने का पता नहीं है. And then you are confused what system to use. You have been given only 3 systems, not more than 3 systems. Either the theta decay or the up move or the down move. Simple. Just think about what is your price doing and where you are. Where is the price? Where it wants to go. Now, where it wants to go, suppose you are unable to find out where it wants to go. That means it wants to dance in between. So when there is a dance in between, what you need to do? You simply need to find out the call and put ka data and see whether you are able to get the theta decay for yourself. Now tell me, we have just 1 day left, 10th March ka, 1 day left. Okay, what is the price going to do? 100, 150 points. What is the price going to do? Practically nothing. 50-100 पॉइंट ऊपर जाएगा. ओके, तो कॉल वाला पैसा बनाएगा एंड पुट वाला पैसा टूटेगा. फिर वो पुट वाले का पैसा ऊपर बढ़ाएगा, कॉल वाले का पैसा टूटेगा. सो नाउ व्हेन द स्मॉल प्लेयर्स विल कम इन, okay, the movements will be hardly 50-100 points movement. Now you can play the game also. I'm not saying that you cannot play the game of getting it into the right form. Check this out. If I go to a smaller time frame, okay, now when I'm seeing a smaller time frame, yes, the movement was there, but
I cannot see the chart.
okay, sorry, I'll share the chart with you. Okay, so while the movement is there from 68 levels to almost 120 plus levels, but is this what you want? Now, if you are playing a smaller time frame game, 3 candle movement is going to give you 30-40 points and you are done with the trade. That's it. Now, this is your simple supply and demand zone. Okay, every time it comes back, it wants to go up. Every time it comes back, it wants to go up. That means you buy low and sell high. But it did not go beyond 135, where it actually started the game. Now, if you are in the buy mode, you need to exit at some point of time. Now, dil mange more, and the volatility of the market kills you. Okay, so please understand. Now, in this two call and put ka data, the slowly and steadily, one of them is definitely going to go to 0 in the next 2 days. So check your now Bank Nifty mein, check your this thing. Okay, what is the price doing? Let's go to just the daily chart and see what is the price doing. Right? So price did go up and then it started to dance. Now, if you see this dancing, while the price was on the upper side, the RSI was not aligned with the price. Okay, and if you see the 240 minutes ka data, okay, this just 2 days back, once it broke these 1084 levels, it did go down significantly. Now, when there is so much of push down below, that means you need to sell, not to buy, right? And then again the sell happened, and now it is dancing over here at 11 and 105, which is a weekly. Okay, now again today we are having a gap opening of 93 points. Okay, while chalo, let's check this out, what it is going to do, what this price is doing. anything below 86 or anything above 88, again you are on a 240-minute chart. So let's go to daily chart, see what it is doing. Significantly, right? HDFC Bank, what it is doing, the pressure is down below, right? Anything below 1500 will be a downfall. SBI practically not done anything since the last 2 days. Okay, not done anything. Okay, will it go up till 429 in this series is a question. That means it has to break this 95 ka level for it to go to 401 level and then going up till 405, 40. But right now it is in the dancing mode. Now today we have a harami, right? When we have a harami, probably this wants to go up. So there will be a gap opening over here as on now today, right? So we are seeing a gap opening over here. But if the high and the low, please understand this, that golden nugget mein aata hai. If the high and the low is the same, 395.45, 395.45, that means even if it opens on the high, it is going to come down. Understand this, write it down if you want to. If the high and the low is the same, okay, now it has to break this 3930 level, okay, for the price to go up. So in this case, now your new entry should be only and only after 394.80 paisa. Okay, again, now in this case, the price movement will be hardly 3 to 4 rupees, not maximum 5 rupees, not more than that. Now please understand, where the price movement is less, okay, you cannot expect it to run 10 points, 20 points, 30 points. So this is very, very important. Okay, so this is it. Okay, price has not done anything since quite some time now. Okay, again going to open with a gap. Okay, so again you are in between as far as the price are concerned. So going up, and once it starts coming down, the coming down is very fast. So we have to wait and watch. Let's see what is the Nifty wala doing. So I always click a percentage gain. Okay, which are the stocks which are under pressure. So IOC, BPCL, so all the oil sector wala thing right now seems to be under pressure. Okay, let's check this out. While SBI Life, HDFC Bank, okay, Tata Motor, DVR, all this seems to be going up. So what is going to keep the Nifty up? HDFC Bank, okay, Axis Bank. So anything ICICI Bank, right? SBI. So these 4 banks are on the upper side. So technically gap opening isme bhi hoga. So when you will find a gap opening on the Bank Nifty, okay, when you find a gap opening on the Bank Nifty, where it will go? So we have the same levels, almost same levels. Oh. This is 25th March ka. This is showing a wrong data right now. Okay, so if there is a gap opening, the put price is going to go down straight away. Okay, now if there is a gap opening in Nifty, if there is a gap opening in the Nifty, what is going to happen to the put price? What is going to happen to the put price? It is going to go down straight. Okay, now when it starts to turn, that time you have to look at it. Now in this case, okay, 100 points up. That means again coming unless and until you see a green color candle happening on the upper side, okay, will you be able to buy something? Hello? Discuss. If you don't follow, discuss. Otherwise you will be again stuck. So I would look at it at this particular thing, unless and until 15066 is not broken decisively on the upper side, okay, वो वहां पे आके फिर से नीचे आने का चांसेस बढ़ जाता है. So this level ऊपर के साइड पे it is touching 15066 वाला thing, okay, it has to go above for me to get another 10 20 30 points as a trader. Okay, now if it is jumping over here with 100 points this thing, okay, I will have to wait for the first 5 minutes what it is trying to do. Will it sustain over here? Will it sustain over here? So what I'm going to do is I am going to draw my zone over here. Okay, now it needs to go beyond 15066 for me to make money, right? But already 100 points movement is already done because of the gap opening, which is now the supply zone only. See this supply zone, ye wala jo supply zone hai, it is the same supply zone. So ye directly gap open ही होने वाला है. तो ये कॉल का डेटा कहां पे जाएगा? 164 वाला ये खुलेगा ही ऊपर, राइट? ये 110 वाला कहां पे जाएगा? ये खुलेगा ही ऊपर. सी open right at the top, right? So in this case also same thing, it opened right at the top. Okay, it opened above our zone also. So now we cannot jabardasti ka enter the thing. Now see this put ka price, did it not go down straight away? Right, did it not go down straight away? Okay, so this is what we need to understand कि आपको एक चीज को ध्यान रखने का है कि now there is nothing we can do about anything about. Okay, but this call and put ka thing, okay, you have to remember that gap opening and gap down mein, okay, if you have taken both the call and the put together, okay, तो your exit also should be together. एक को पकड़ के रखा because you feel it is doing X, वो वाला system will not work for you. Okay, now check out your Nifty, Bank Nifty. What is it? Almost everything is 1% up. Okay, so since everything is 1% up, the Bank Nifty wala thing also, let's check this out. It has crossed the yesterday ka high. It has crossed the yesterday ka high. See this. But has it crossed this 35,895 levels? No. That means this is my level. Once it breaks, then I want to be in the buy. Otherwise, again, I will look for a selling opportunity over here. Okay. So it is not going beyond this. That means it is going to dance over here. See this. 108 वाला धीरे धीरे करके नीचे आया. Now I will have to wait for the 5 minutes candle to give me the correct picture. Okay, and then I will now wait for a 10 minutes candle to complete its move. That means anything below 15066 will be a sell for me, not before that, if I am following my 10 minutes ka rule. Okay, so I will remove all my additional this thing, but I will keep this. Now I will use my 10 minutes rule to play the game. Now anything below 15067 I want to sell, anything above 15126 I want to buy. लेकिन बाइंग में अपने पास ऊपर के साइड पे जगह कितना है वो खास चेक कर लो. बाइंग में जगह नहीं दिख रहा है because this is your supply zone over here, 140 वाला. Okay, so बाइंग में जगह नहीं है. सो बाइंग का अपॉर्चुनिटी यहां से 100 पॉइंट्स का जो 120 पॉइंट्स का मूवमेंट दे दिया है, इट इज प्रैक्टिकली गॉन फॉर द डे. सो इंट्राडे में practically we are not getting a chance unless and it come down to 15067 के आजू बाजू आएगा, and then again going back to 115 levels. Otherwise buying का opportunity अभी के लिए नहीं है यहाँ पे. Is this clear now? Okay, so you will have to wait for it to give you a indication of a price going down. Okay, यहाँ पे भी you have this supply zone over here 895 के इधर का. Okay, so in case anybody wants to sell, तो अपना stop loss will be 8890 के ऊपर का ही stop loss लग जाएगा. Okay, give a enough space, almost 80-90 points का है, and you can get the result over here while the price tend to come down. Okay, or wait for a price action to happen, 1 2 3 reversal, smaller time frame, जो भी है वो. लेकिन अभी जब तक वो 88 नहीं तोड़ेगा, I will not do anything. वो 88 नहीं तोड़ रहा है तो धीरे 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 करके भी वो नीचे आ जाएगा. जैसे ये 26 पॉइंट्स ऑलरेडी गिवन अवे. Okay, so in the first this thing, okay, I will have to wait for the 10 minutes rule for my game to be played, right? In between में if I am not getting any results, I will have to wait. Simple as that. Okay, तो पहले का जो भी मेरा लाइंस है उसको मैं ऑफ करके रखूंगा. Anything below 15067 I want to sell, or anything above 1500 490 I want to go and buy. So यहाँ पे again this has come right up till this 90 वाला levels. Okay, I will wait for this candle to complete its move. Okay, again going back to 10 minutes का level. Okay, ये 10 minutes का अभी तक candle complete नहीं होगा, अभी candle complete होगा. Okay, this has come right to our zone, exit zone. Okay, ये 26 आके फिर से नीचे आया है. This has come to almost 80-85. Okay, once this candle completes, then we will have a clear picture. Okay, what this you will have to see this now. 1500 में ये 61 वाला क्या किया है? Is it doing anything? No. That means in this case, this is your 10 minutes का, your call put का thing. Okay, यहाँ पे भी अभी तक रिवर्सल के कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, right? So we'll have to wait. Simple as that. Okay, now, is it going to go up? Once it start going up, that means further movement will be there. लेकिन we have missed the chance today. Okay, early morning का जो trading का जो chance है, we have missed, so we have to wait. Okay, ये range में ही है. Okay, now 90 वाला thing is there. Now you want to take a chance as a trader. Okay, then 90 के ऊपर का ही stop loss लगे वाला. Simple as that. Okay, now this also has not gone beyond 32. 26 आया था लेकिन नया हाई बनाया था 32 का. Okay, so wait for the 10 minutes to complete, and when the new 10 minutes का rule apply करना है, okay, let the next candle start. Significantly let it go above 890 for you to go and make at least 50 to 100 points. Okay, यहाँ पे अभी सेल करना है तो क्यों सेल करना है? Let's check this out. निफ्टी में okay, what is SBI done? 9490 का हाई मारा and it has not done anything significant. Okay, HDFC Bank strong है अभी भी. Okay,
Please check the open and high, sir, for SBI.
HDFC बैंक में
नहीं नहीं
50
SBI में SBI में
SBI, yes. See, SBI में, let's check the SBI, what it has done. See this, जो हम लोग ने प्री ओपनिंग में देखा था 93.50 का ओपन एंड हाई. So what did
Same.
I tell you? If it doesn't go beyond 94.80, not to buy. Yes or no? और इसने क्या किया? What was the high of this? 94.90. 10 पैसा ऊपर गया और फिर 1 रुपया नीचे आ गया. Why did I give you this? Is because it is a very clear understanding के open and high अगर same नहीं है, okay, this was the high 394.80 paisa. So you have to buy only after this happening, after this particular price has gone up. या तो फिर सस्ता नीचे में सस्ते में बाय करो तो आपको 1-2 रुपया ऊपर के साइड पे मिलेगा, not before that. Understood?
Sir, can we check HDFC?
HDFC,
Limited.
the only HDFC.
Yes.
चलो, let's check HDFC.
2% up.
2% up. Why 2% up? Because it had already given a significant drop in the prices.
Okay.
Okay. So when you were speaking about the price going down further, okay, it had already completed its move from 2800 to 2500. See this. So where was the right time to sell? Control Q अगर करता हूं मैं and showing you, is this not what is the star?
Evening star.
Evening star right at the top.
Hmm.
Now when you see this pattern, now this is the candle you have to sell. Okay, so 2700 wala coming down to 2400. Okay, and now it is dancing. It has gone, it had gone below the this thing also. See, it had gone below the 50 levels also, and the drop really came down fast. And today it is up by 2%. Okay, so the up and down of the market,
The RSI is not sustaining. You see
not
the RSI.
sustained. Yes. So when it then now when it starts to come down on a higher time frame, that is the time you need to sell, not otherwise.
Okay. 240 minutes.
Yes. Maybe 15 minutes ka reversal you can see, 30 minutes ka reversal you will see. That time you will have to sell, not otherwise. Okay. Okay. एक फार्मा स्टॉक था जो कल में ही था, one of the pharma stocks, which was had a 1, 2, 3 reversal. Cadilite था कि कौन सा था? Okay, Godrej Industry जो मैंने आपको 450, 448 के आजू बाजू बोला था. Okay, it's now reached 480 levels. It is still strong. Okay, this was the Godrej Industry मैंने ग्रुप में भी भेजा था. Okay, from 450 एक बार तोड़ा. Okay, it has gone come to a monthly level of 481. Now ये अगर ये monthly level को भी तोड़ के ऊपर बैठ रहा है तो another 20-30 points का movement यहाँ पे मेरे को दिख रहा है. Godrej Industry. Okay, now see why the up move. Why the up move is when a particular level, weekly level is broken. Now this is what you want for yourself to make money on a equity side of the game also. Okay, while the RSI is not ready to go down below the 50 levels, and when it breaks the weekly level decisively, you be in that trade and make money in 3 to 4 days, 5 days. This is what you want. Above the 9 moving average, above the 21 moving average, this is what you want. ये मैंने जो 450 वाला लेवल बताया था, 480 483 के ऊपर, दिस इज अ मंथली नाउ, दिस अ मंथली. अगर ये मंथली में ऑलरेडी एक बार ऊपर आके, नाउ इट इज, if it remains above the 480 levels, then the next level can be on the higher side.
This remaining above the 480 levels, we have to see on a 60-minute. How should we see?
So daily,
On daily.
because we are looking at a higher time frame. Now see, in this case, is this not a shoulder, head and a shoulder formation? This is a daily chart. Okay, now let's check the weekly. So in weekly, is this not a shoulder, head, shoulder formation? Shoulder, head and a shoulder formation. Right or not?
Yes.
Shoulder, head and a shoulder formation. Yes or no?
Yes.
So when you see a beautiful shoulder, head, shoulder formation, where is our target? 503 is our first target. Okay, from 450 to 503, 50 point ka target bana. Okay, now this is a weekly. Okay, so weekly ke point of view se, and then you have to measure these levels over here. Now this is a weekly thing, right? So what is your almost 100 points ka movement? So from 480 levels, 100 points is almost 590 wala levels, which is our target on a weekly basis. Now how did I get this target? There are two ways of looking at the targets. Okay, now this is again cash ka item, and this is a weekly game. Okay, so it will take at least 4-5 weeks to reach there, or maybe little more. Okay, so let me explain to you how as a technician you should be looking at it. Okay, where did I get this 503 as my first target? It is the extension. So how do I get this extension? This is Fibonacci line. Okay, this is from year to year to year. This is your levels. Okay, so this is your level 478 is your level. That is the first level which is already been completed. Okay, so this is where how you will be able to get the extension and the up move ka significant up move ka levels. Okay, again showing you this on the higher this thing. Let's check this out. Okay, I'm removing all the additional tools. Okay, so you have this beautiful shoulder, head, shoulder formation. Okay, this is a weekly chart. Yeah, on a daily chart also we have the shoulder, head, shoulder, and on the daily chart also we have the shoulder, head, shoulder, right? So in this case I will use the Fibonacci extension from this point to the high to the low. So we have this 503 as your first target. Okay, now if I see this as a neckline, 455 as a neckline, okay, then I am using my tool to give me the right picture. Okay, so this is my neckline over here. Now it has already broken the neckline. Okay, so if I consider this as my entry over here, so this should be the target. So I am looking for a target which should be somewhere around 575 to 595. So this is how I will measure this, and for a complete one whole year ke hisab se, what is the second target? This is your second target. That means we are looking for a target of 691 ke aaju baaju. So this is your target one. T1, which will be this. Okay, and your target 2 will be the shoulder, this thing. This will be T2, which will be T2. Okay, now this is a weekly. Please understand this. So उसको अपना time लगेगा वहां तक पहुंचने के लिए. But you can do this on an equity, not a problem at all. Okay, so where is your supply zone in this case? The supply zone is over here. So even if I am getting my first target somewhere over here, I am exiting at 550 levels. I am perfectly all right. Why? Because from these levels, the price had actually gone down. So I am looking for a target of 550 levels, or just check your Ganka numbers. Where is your target? So if your target is somewhere between 544, 550 levels, and it is reaching there, and if you are exiting this particular trade, I am perfectly all right with the trade getting completed. Any questions on this? Have you been able to understand the shoulder head shoulder formation? So this is your shoulder. Okay, this is your head, and this is your shoulder. Okay, so beautiful. It's a textbook level of shoulder head shoulder formation. Can I add into my this thing? Yes, I can add it to one. Any day it's a bad day. If the price comes down, I can add more position on this. I'm perfectly all right. While my stop loss, equity stop loss based on your percentage. Okay, so shoulder on shoulder. So this is Godrej Industry.
Stop loss, where can we place, sir?
Again, percentage. Just give me a second. Percentage wise stop loss you can have, because this is a weekly thing. So practically 2 रुपया 5 रुपया वाला गेम यहाँ पे नहीं चलने वाला है. Okay, so weekly ATR को find out करो, and then you can have this stop loss in place, not a problem at all. But on a higher time frame, the price is tending to go up, तो वो ऊपर जाने का chances और बढ़ जाता है. Okay.
But what I also, the point of entry has to be only if it closes above 480 on the daily basis.
It is already there, sir.
Okay.
See, it has already done its move, right? So let me show you on a this thing basis also, on a daily chart also. See, on a daily chart also, is it not looking as a shoulder head shoulder formation? See, this is a shoulder, this is your head, and this is a shoulder, and it has already broken the shoulder head shoulder now. So same thing, right? On a daily chart also, the neckline is already broken at 450. Okay, so first target is 503.
Okay.
It from 503 it can come down to 480, again 455, and then it will go up. Yes, possible. It is not going to go in straight line, but this is a daily chart. It has given a significant move. It has given a proper breakout. So this is a textbook wala shoulder head shoulder formation. Okay, so whenever you find it, saste mein milega, buy for a target on the higher side. Simple. So this is your daily chart. Maybe it is your same shoulder head shoulder formation. See this. This was your shoulder formation. This is your head, and this is your shoulder formation. Same thing, right? So again, it has given you a breakout. लेकिन यहाँ पे there is a significant levels over here. वहां पे से वो नीचे गिरा था. See this levels, which is coinciding with our 50 वाला level. राइट. तो अभी भी 20 पॉइंट का ऊपर का मूवमेंट है. मे बी 1 वीक 2 वीक्स में वो उधर पहुंचेगा, तो अपना फर्स्ट एग्जिट यहाँ पे आएगा, फिर से वो नीचे आएगा, फिर से ऊपर जाएगा. सो एनीथिंग अबव 503 अगेन सिग्निफिकेंटली वो फिर से ऊपर जाने की कोशिश करेगा, विच इज दिस लेवल्स.
हेलो.
लेकिन वो स्ट्रेट लाइन में तो नहीं जाएगा, राइट. सो अप एंड डाउन होते रहेगा. यू कैन एंटर, make 20-30 points, again wait for the right entry, again going up. So ये एक अच्छा मोमेंट है. Now if I draw my trend line, if the trend line को पकड़ के वो ऊपर धीरे धीरे करके भी जा रहा है, if it comes back also and again it is trying to go up, so ये trend line को पकड़ के चलेगा, this is going to give us a good money. Are you with me? But again, simple rule of the game is daily and weekly में है, is it going to go away and give you double the money right now? No, but significantly up move is there. So this is one stock of the day I can give you. Okay, so what has what has the Nifty and the Bank Nifty done? Let's check this out. So Nifty and Bank Nifty, so 899 wala levels, it has not sustained above this 899 wala levels. Okay, even when market is strong, but you can see this on the smaller time frame. Okay, ये 890 के ऊपर गया नहीं. 913 के बाद में वो धीरे धीरे करके भी वो साइडवे चला गया. So now if you want to buy this for 913, see this. Let's go to a 10 minutes chart.
Reversal.
It did not give you above 888. इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा था ना कि यहाँ पे आप बेच सकते हो with a small stop loss and see already 100 points down. Okay, तो प्रेशर जब भी ऊपर जाता है प्रेशर नीचे का ही है. Okay, let's check the Nifty का. Okay, it did not go beyond this 15140 levels. Okay, so this is very important that यहाँ पे the zones are going to work to our advantage.
Sir, Tata Coffee, can you check, sir?
Tata Coffee right now it is in the up move. 106 108 वाला 120 130 levels पे गया है. So
but there are multiple weekly levels there, sir.
So on a daily chart, okay, it has done this dancing and now it is making a flagpole formation. Yes.
Sir, but when the flagpole formation is there, if you are going on top, there are multiple weekly and monthly resistances now coming. 144, 154, 158, so many weekly, and there are so many supply zones there.
Right. So this stock we have been tracking since 75, 78 levels. Okay. And 80 wala almost 130 के ऊपर चला गया है.
Yes.
Okay. Now food items and all other items have gone to a significant level. वो बढ़ ही रहा है. तो इसके साथ में ये भी बढ़ा है. लेकिन अभी इसका जो मंथली लेवल था 108 and 101 वाला, ओके, वो काफी टाइम तक यहाँ पे अटक के then the up move was there. But again ये मिड कैप वाले जब भी चलेंगे तभी जबरदस्त चलेंगे, नहीं चलेंगे तो लटका के रख देंगे and you will not be able to do anything about it.
Pidilite Industries also is weak.
Again, it is the same thing. It is not closing above 1800 levels. And it is dancing over there for quite some time.
But it is also breaking the 50-day moving average quite frequently.
Again and again, I'm saying is one good quarter for this, and this can run away 200 points. Okay, so this is on a weekly chart. It's still on the up move. Okay, this is a weekly. Let's check the daily. Okay, daily May it is dancing. It has not done anything, but it has danced. Every time it is coming to 680, it is being pushed up. So ये जो stock है, again I am saying is there are stocks which are trader stocks. There are stocks which are not trader stock, and this I have been specifically telling you that I don't trade FNO in this particular stock because I don't like the way it is being operated. So I am staying away from this. Simple as that. Okay.
I am buying in cash and
not a
selling.
problem at all.
Cash and selling.
Yeah, you can do it cash. अंदर बार कर सकते हो. 50-100 रुपया ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है.
1680 is the level, buying level, and selling is around 1780, 1800.
Good enough. Then make money in cash. Not a problem at all.
Yes, in cash
Okay.
only, sir. This
So
one is
let's
Tata
check out
Coffee.
which are the stocks which are strong. HDFC Bank is strong today. Okay, BAIL is strong today. ACC is strong today. Okay, and which are the stock which are weak? BPCL. आज उसका already news आ गया. Blah blah blah. Okay, and 4% down straight.
IT is weak, I think, today.
IT is weak, but it is dancing. Okay, now see, how do you take entry? Was this 23.6 के आजू बाजू आया? You take an entry, 200 point ऊपर भाग गया, you exit. Now it is going to dance for quite some time over here because of the significant move from the low level of 600, 700.
Okay. So around 25 we can take entry and then
exit. So 200 रुपया ऊपर गया, भाग गया, you are done with your trade. Okay. Chalo. See you once again.
Even Biocon is coming down. Maybe we will be coming into the buying area.
So all the stocks, okay, all the stocks, whether it is Biocon or whether it is Cadillac or whatever, ये already significant up move में चला गया, and then पूरा का पूरा quarter वो नीचे चला गया, because between always most of the time the pharma industry दिसंबर से लेके मार्च अप्रैल तक वो लोग नहीं चलते, कोई इतना ज्यादा कोई डिजीज नहीं रहता है, कुछ नहीं रहता है, एंड देन फिर वो मई जून से जब भी बारिश शुरू होती है, फ्रॉम मई जून से लेके सितंबर तक लॉट ऑफ सिकनेस एंड यू नो दवाई का काम ज्यादा होता है, तभी वो क्वार्टर अच्छा चल जाता है. ओके, दैट इज माय ऑब्जर्वेशन. Okay, chalo. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope today there was a significant understanding of what you need to do and what you don't need to do. Okay, up and down is going to be part and parcel. अभी पता चलेगा सब लोग को के trading activity के point of view से. Okay, why it becomes little difficult? Because when the market becomes uncertain, okay, that is the time your system works. What to do, how, when to do, how to do, वाला thing. Okay. अभी one side ऊपर चला तो everybody became करोड़पति by saying के भाई पैसा बन जाता है. लेकिन now is the time when the real trader comes into picture. Now is the time when your system will give you the money you need. Okay. Most important is how you are going to have your risk management in place. That's it. The risk management is the only thing which is going to help you to survive in the market. Okay, sometimes we go wrong. It is perfectly all right to go wrong. Okay, as a trader, overall, are you following your rules and are you able to bring home the money, which is the most important thing. If you are able to bring home the money, okay, that is fine. कम पैसा मिलेगा, it is fine, not a problem at all. Or if you don't understand, if you are afraid कि ये मार्केट में मेरे को काम नहीं करने का, there is no trend, and whenever the ups and downs are happening, मेरे को loss हो रहा है, stay away from the market. Nobody is stopping you from staying away from the market. Okay, it is not necessary to be in the market at all the times. Okay, when you see an opportunity, take an opportunity. That is where the money is going to be made. Chapter over. हर महीना प्रॉफिटेबल होना चाहिए, वो भी गलत है. We have our drawdowns. Okay, you have your own rules. Set your own rules. I have my rules. Okay, if I go wrong 5 trade continuously, I don't trade for one single whole day. No trading. 5 बार तो गलत नहीं हो सकता ना. As a trader, I cannot be wrong 5 times. No, that means I am not following my rules. I am making mistake, or I am jumping into the trade. I am not following my risk management. कुछ तो गड़बड़ कर रहा हूं जिसकी वजह से 5 times I am going wrong. So I have my rule set कि अगर मैं 5 टाइम गलत हूं तो I have to sit back, I have to wait. Okay, कुछ मैं गड़बड़ कर रहा हूं, I have to find out what mistakes I did and now I need to correct my mistakes. Okay, so as a trader you have to graduate, simple as that. Okay, and play the market rule, play the market. Once you understand how to play the market, okay, क्यों हम लोग ऊपर में बाय करते हैं? नहीं, ऊपर में जब जोन बन जाता है वहां पे सेल करना है, बाय नहीं करना है. एंड दैट इज वेयर द मनी इज मेड. ओके, नाउ if you are able to understand this in a correct fashion, there is money to be made. Simple as that. The risk management is going to help you to make money. Okay, thank you very much for joining me. See you once again. फिर से मिलते हैं हम लोग. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Take care.